Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset OnePlus 15. Alright, we have two methods how we can do it. We have a normal reset using the settings, that's the recommended method, and we can also reset our phone using the recovery mode. I'll show you both options. Let's begin with the settings. Simply open them up, scroll a little bit until you find a system and update. Now click on backup and reset. If you are resetting your device through the settings, I highly recommend creating a backup of your data. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video and I'm explaining everything step by step. So if you want, you can check it out. Now, to reset our device, we need to click on Reset Phone. Remember that all of your data will be permanently deleted after that process. And now to reset our device, simply click this last button, Erase All Data. After that, our device will be turned off. Then, after a few seconds, it will be automatically turned on again, and the next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process. When it comes to the second method, reset using the recovery mode, we need to remember about two things. If you are logged into your Google account, right in here, there's a chance that after the reset, you might have to sign into that Google account as a confirmation that you are actually a user of this device. So remember about it. Or there's also a chance that you might have to type your screen lock as a confirmation also. So remember about it. Now to perform that reset, we need to power off our device, click power button and volume up button, and now select power off. Okay, and to enter the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume down button at the same time until it launches. So simply keep holding both buttons. It's going to take a few seconds, so be patient and keep holding. Alright, now using the volume keys, we can select our language, and if you want to confirm the selected option, simply click the power button, but the touchscreen also works. Now we need to select format data. Now type this code using your keyboard, just like that, and now click on format. The process has now started, data formatted, so click on OK, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.